Welcome back to Lionheart English, the best place for learning English with a smile.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here.
I'm Ruby. Nice to meet you.
And I'm Mark, your guide to better English.
Today, we're talking about mental health.
Mental health is how we feel in our minds and emotions.
Yes, it is very important to check in with yourself.
Check in with yourself means to ask yourself how you feel.
Exactly. Mark, you seem a little down today.
Down? You mean I look a bit sad?
Yes. Are you feeling down or stressed out?
I am definitely stressed out from work.
Stressed out means you have too much pressure.
Yes, I feel overwhelmed by my to-do list.
It's normal to feel stressed or sad sometimes.
But what if I feel sad for a long time?
That is when you should pay more attention.
Should I say I have depression?
Depression is a serious medical term.
I should just say I am feeling down.
That's better. It's okay to feel vulnerable sometimes.
Vulnerable? That means easily hurt emotionally.
Yes, we all feel vulnerable sometimes.
I will try to check in with myself more often.
I think my work is the main problem.
Your work makes you stressed out?
Yes, I feel like I have too much on my plate.
Too much on my plate is a phrase for having too many tasks.
I have 1,000 things to do before the deadline.
A deadline is the time when the work must be finished.
I feel overwhelmed by all the deadlines.
Overwhelmed means having too many emotions or tasks to handle.
Yes, I can't even start my to-do list.
You might be heading for burnout.
Burnout? Is that like being completely drained?
Yes, it is extreme tiredness from long-term stress.
That sounds scary. I don't want burnout.
You need to learn how to manage stress.
Manage stress? How do I do that?
You should prioritize your tasks. Remember that?
Yes, do the important things first.
And you must learn to say no sometimes.
Saying no to more work is very difficult.
It protects your mental health from too much pressure.
So saying no is a form of self-care?
Exactly. You are starting to understand.
But when I feel stressed out, I eat a lot of chips.
Eating chips is a coping mechanism.
A coping mechanism? Is it good or bad?
It is a way you deal with stress. Chips are not the best.
I also watch TV for 5 hours to forget my deadlines.
That is called avoidance. It does not help long term.
So I am avoiding the problem. That is not smart.
You need to confront the stress, not ignore it.
But I feel so exhausted all the time.
Exhausted means extremely tired, mentally and physically.
Yes, I am always exhausted by the end of the day.
You must make a change to your routine.
I will try a brisk walk when I feel overwhelmed.
That's a great positive coping mechanism.
So no more chips and 5 hours of TV.
Just a little bit of TV is fine. Everything in moderation.
Moderation means not too much, not too little.
You are learning so many great phrases today. It's important to talk about your feelings, Mark.
I usually just say, I'm fine, even when I'm not fine.
That's a bad habit. You need to share your feelings.
Share your feelings means telling others how you really feel.
Yes, you can say, I feel lost.
I feel lost, like I don't know my direction.
Emotionally, yes, like you don't know what to do next.
I can also say, I am having a bad day.
That is simple and honest. Very good.
What if I feel empty inside?
You can say, I feel numb.
Numb means having no feeling? That is a good word.
It is important to be vulnerable with a trusted friend.
Vulnerable means showing my weakness.
Yes, but it shows strength too. It means you trust them.
So it's okay to say, I am struggling?
Struggling means finding something very difficult.
I am struggling with my workload.
See? That is honest communication.
It is good to remember it's okay not to be okay.
That is a very wise phrase, Mark. It is true.
What if my friends don't know what to say?
They might say, I'm here for you.
I'm here for you means they want to listen.
Yes, they want to be supportive.
It is hard to be the one who opens up.
You must remember that everyone feels down sometimes.
So my feelings are valid?
Valid means founded on truth or fact. Yes, your feelings are always valid.
I will try to stop hiding my feelings now.
You should. Hiding your feelings just makes you more stressed out.
I will practice saying, I feel exhausted.
Say it with me. I feel exhausted.
I feel exhausted. That felt good.
See? Sharing your feelings is the first step to feeling better.
Okay, I will try to be more vulnerable from now on.
We talked about bad coping mechanisms like chips.
Yes. No more chips when I feel stressed out.
Now, let's talk about good self-care.
Self-care is taking time to look after your own well-being.
Exactly. What is the simplest self-care you can do?
Maybe take a break from my computer?
That's a great start. Give your eyes a rest.
And I should take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath helps calm your nervous system.
That is easy to do. I can do it right now.
Good. What about a positive coping mechanism?
Instead of TV, I will take a walk outside.
Taking a walk is a wonderful way to clear your head.
I will use the walk to process my feelings.
Process your feelings means think about and deal with them.
And I should listen to music that makes me happy.
That is great self-care. It lifts your mood.
What if I feel overwhelmed by a task?
You should break it down into smaller steps.
Break it down? Like cutting a big cake into small slices?
Yes, small slices are easier to eat, and tasks are easier to do.
I will break down my giant to-do list now.
Remember to be kind to yourself.
Be kind to yourself means don't criticize yourself too much.
Absolutely. You are doing the best you can. Sometimes self-care is not enough.
What do I do if I still feel down or exhausted?
You must reach out to someone.
Reach out? You mean contact a friend or family?
Yes. Reach out and tell them you are struggling.
It is hard to ask for help.
Asking for help is a sign of great strength, not weakness.
Who should I talk to?
Talk to a supportive person you trust.
Supportive means they offer encouragement and listen well.
Let's practice. I am your supportive friend.
Okay, I need to share my feelings. I feel overwhelmed by my work. I need to talk to someone.
Thank you for reaching out. I'm here for you.
I'm here for you means you will listen without judgment.
Exactly. You should also consider therapy.
Therapy? You mean talking to a professional?
Yes, a professional can teach you better coping mechanisms.
I've never thought about therapy.
It helps to talk to an expert who understands mental health.
It helps to talk. I like that phrase. It sounds easy.
Just remember, you are not alone.
I am not alone. That makes me feel much better.
Mark, you now have a plan for your mental health.
Yes, I will check in with myself every day.
And you will remember that it's okay not to be okay.
I will stop trying to hide my feelings and be vulnerable.
You must share your feelings and be honest.
And when I feel overwhelmed, I will do self-care.
Like taking a walk and breaking down the big tasks.
I will try to stop feeling exhausted all the time.
Remember to be kind to yourself in the process.
And if the stress is too much, I will reach out to a supportive friend.
Perfect summary. You learned so many important phrases.
It feels good to know the right words to use.
Now, we have a question for all our listeners.
We want to know your favorite self-care activity.
What is the best way you wind down after a long, stressful day?
Do you take a deep breath, or do you watch a funny movie?
Tell us in the comments. It helps to talk.
Thank you for joining us today on Lionheart English.
Remember, you are not alone. It will get better.
Bye for now. Be kind to yourself.
See you next time.